Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Applied Thermodynamics by Mekanki with Dr. Abid Hussain. In current lecture we are solving problem 3.8. So the statement of the problem is 1 kilogram of air at 1 bar 15 degrees centigrade is compressed reversibly and adiabatically to a pressure of 4 bar. Calculate the final temperature and work input. So M is equal to 1 kg. Working fluid is air. Initial pressure P1 is equal to 1 bar. Initial temperature T1 is equal to 15 degrees centigrade. Convert this into Kelvin. So 15 plus 273 Kelvin, which is equal to 288 Kelvin. And process is reversible adiabatic process. Process is equal to reversible adiabatic. In adiabatic process, the system heat gain and loss will be zero. No heat gain and loss in adiabatic process. So in adiabatic process, Q is equal to 0. To a final pressure P2 is 4 bar. In compression process, pressure is increases. So pressure increased from 1 bar to 4 bar. Now required data is T2 and work input. First we find T2. So according to adiabatic process, T1 divided by T2 is equal to P1 divided by P2 whole power gamma minus 1 divided by gamma. So the value of T1 is 288 Kelvin, T2 is unknown, and the value of P1 is 1 bar and P2 is 4 bar, and per year gamma is equal to 1.4. So 1.4 minus 1 divided by 1.4. So 288 Kelvin divided by T2 is equal to 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25, and simplify this equation. 1.4 minus 1 divided by 1.4 is 0.2857. So 288 Kelvin divided by T2 is equal to 0.67296. 0.67296. So this implies that T2 is equal to 428 Kelvin. Convert this into degree centigrade. So 428 Kelvin is equal to 428 minus 273 degree centigrade, which is equal to 155 degree centigrade. Now to find work done from non-flow energy equation, Q plus W is equal to U2 minus U1. For adiabatic process, Q will be equal to 0. So, and U1 is equal to CVT1 and U2 is equal to CVT2. So, W is equal to CVT2 minus T1. For here, CV is equal to 0.718 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. So W is equal to 0.718 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. The value of T2 is equal to 428 Kelvin and the value of T1 is equal to 288 Kelvin. So W is equal to 0.100.52 kilojoule per kilogram, and this is the final answer. And for more videos, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.